So guys, for the first step, once you're on this screen, you want to close out of this and then click on yes, which will then take us back here. Now once we're here, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard at the same time. Shift plus F10, and now this will come up, the command prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter. Now you want to type in select space disk space and then the number of the disk that you want to install Windows on. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. I've only got one disk, which is disk 0, and I want to install Windows on this disk right here. So for me, I'm going to type in select disk 0. In your case, you may have more disks than me. You're going to know which one is which by the size. So type in select disk and then your disk number and then click on enter. Next, you want to type in clean and then click on enter again. Now you want to type in exit, click on enter, and then type in exit again and then click on enter. You can now continue with the steps, install now. Just follow through all these steps. Just select everything that's most applicable to you until we get to here. Our disk has now been formatted, click on new, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. We can now continue with the Windows installation. Click on next, and then the problem should be fixed.